Imagine you just discovered a secret passage in your home, leading to a hidden room filled with gold. How would you feel? Excited, right? Now, imagine that room was filled with your hard-earned money, safely tucked away in PocketGuard. How would you feel then? Today, we're diving deep into the security features of PocketGuard. Is your money really safe in this digital vault? Let's find out. Encryption. The first line of defense is encryption. Think of it as a secret code that only you and PocketGuard can decipher. Your financial data is encrypted using industry-standard AES-256 encryption, making it nearly impossible for unauthorized individuals to access. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Remember when you had to enter a code from your phone to log into your online banking? That's MFA. PocketGuard offers MFA as an extra layer of security. It requires you to provide two forms of identification, such as a password and a code sent to your phone or email. Secure data storage. PocketGuard stores your data in highly secure data centers. These centers have physical security measures like 24/7 surveillance, biometric access controls, and environmental controls to protect against natural disasters. Regular security audits. PocketGuard doesn't just set it and forget it when it comes to security. They conduct regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. This proactive approach ensures that your data remains protected. Fraud protection. PocketGuard has built-in fraud protection features to monitor your transactions for suspicious activity. If they detect anything unusual, they'll alert you immediately so you can take action. User privacy. PocketGuard is committed to protecting your privacy. They have a transparent privacy policy that outlines how they collect, use, and share your data. Your personal information is never sold or shared with third parties without your consent. Customer support. If you have any concerns about security, PocketGuard's customer support team is always available to assist you. They can provide guidance on best practices and address any issues you may encounter. So, is your money safe in PocketGuard? Based on the robust security measures in place, it's safe to say that your financial data is well protected. With encryption, MFA, secure data storage, regular audits, fraud protection, user privacy, and reliable customer support, PocketGuard has earned its reputation as a trusted financial management app. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your finances safe and secure.